Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. I just finished working out with my Hoka 11 Clifton 8 shoes. I love how comfortable these shoes are because I have used them to jog or run. I've also used them when I'm walking, and it really gives me the support that I need, especially in the arches. I've had these shoes probably for about 6 months now, using them nonstop, and the tread has really held up well. And another thing that I use these shoes for is when I do my HIIT workouts. I like to be able to have that support, the stability. I don't have to worry about my ankles or even my arches hurting at the end of the workout. And it doesn't matter what kind of jumping or maneuvers that I'm doing with my workouts, I feel like I get the support and stability I need. I just recently got introduced to this brand, and I have to tell you, I am not going back. I have loved them, they have been comfortable, and they have really supported me. And that is just my point of view.